G'day folks, Tom from Bikebiz Motorcycles here, and wow, what a month it has been. April 2021, we have seen some fantastic motorcycles enter our stores. This machine right here is about to jump straight to the top of that list of motorcycles that everyone has been waiting for in 2021. This is the Triumph Speed Triple 1200 RS machine. We have both colors here, silver and black. We're going to take the top off this crate and reveal this fantastic machine for the first time, and then we're going to jump straight into the specifications here. Alrighty folks, and here we have it. I cannot get the smile off my face. The 2021 Speed Triple RS 1200 machines have arrived. These are absolutely stunning in person. They come in two separate colors. You have the sapphire black and the matte silver ice. Now we're going to jump over to some of the specifications that these motorcycles have to offer. Alrighty, and here we go. This is the most powerful, highest torque and fastest accelerating speed triple ever, with an all-new 1160cc triple engine. This engine is a liquid-cooled 12-valve DOHC inline 3-cylinder. The Speed Triple is the ultimate combination of performance, handling, rider-focused technology, track specification equipment, and aggressive new style. Now, some of the accessories that you can get for these machines are frame protectors, fork protectors, engine cover protectors, and tank pads. You can also add a color-coded fly screen, smoked fly screen visor, machine aluminium bar and mirrors, and a brake reservoir front and back. Now, the maximum torque of these machines is 125 Newton meters at 9,000 RPM. Now, it has a multi-point sequential electronic fuel injection with electronic throttle control. The exhaust system is a stainless steel 3-in-1 header system. Now, the front suspension of these motorcycles is an Öhlins 43mm NIX 30 upside down forks with adjustable preload. The rear suspension is an Öhlins TTX 36 twin tube monoshock with preload, rebound and compression dampening. The width of the handlebars are 792mm and the seat height is 830mm. Alrighty, and there you have it, the Triumph 2021 Speed Triple 1200 RS. Now, these machines will be at our Granville location on Parramatta Road, so make sure you come and check them out for yourself. You can also give one of our sales representatives a call. I'll leave the number in the comment section below. I'm Tom from Bikebiz Motorcycles. I'll see you at the store.